L2 sucker R2 square cheat code. This a game to me. Don't play with me, little.
Hey friends, welcome to or back to my YouTube channel. As you can see in the title of the video, I'm going to be unboxing a MacBook today. I hope I don't break it before I open it. It's been a long time coming. This bad baby was purchased almost 3 weeks ago. I just forgot to open it. So, figure why not open it on camera. This is a 13-inch MacBook Air with Apple M1 chip. I don't know any other specific. Oh, 8 gigabytes unified memory and 256 gigabyte SSD. I don't know what that means, but yeah. It comes with obviously the computer itself, a USB-C power adapter, and a USB-C charging cable. So she got all her specifics up in here, okay? And oh, I opened it the wrong way already, y'all. I done already started wrong. It got a little tab here. Well, the tab is for you to pull it open, but I already ripped it off, so here we go. Let's see. It's so hard to open Apple boxes. Like, Apple gotta get it together. I just gotta wait for it to fall out. It's kind of like suction in there. I really hope I don't break it. I always get insurance, I guess. I did. Oh, I guess while I'm trying to struggle to get this box open because it's not even halfway there. Oh, there you go. Okay. Okay. While I'm trying to open this box, it costed $999.99. So if you want to buy it. Why it smell like that? Ugh. This thing stink. This had look though. Okay. All right. Ooh, almost dropped it. And that's it. It's real light. It's really, really light actually. I thought I bought a MacBook Pro, but I guess I bought a MacBook Air. That's cool. This is how it comes. It's like, you know, in a little nice little. I gotta order some cases for it because as y'all see, I ain't really that gentle. For this to cost $1,000, I ain't that gentle with it. Newer Macs come with like USB-C ports. So as you can see, it's not the regular Apple joint. Well, not like the regular Apple, like the iPhone ones, but if you have an old MacBook Pro, like 2015, hell, before that, if you got the old ones, you know, like it got that big chunky piece that's like magnetic and it sticks in there or whatever. This also doesn't come with the extender. It could be because this is an Air and not a Pro. My MacBook Pro came with like the extension cable or whatever to connect to this part. Also, this part is very small. This looks like the kind that comes with a with an iPad. This is the kind that came with my iPad, so that's new. Okay. Talk about Apple. Y'all remember people used to put these stickers on the back of their phone? The ghetto. Do it come with any warranties and stuff? I would hope so. Let's read. I was looking at the wrong side. It wasn't no words on there. I don't need none of that. Okay, so I like taking stuff out the plastic. I like leaving stuff in the plastic, but I also like taking this. So you just want to unwrap it like this. If you got nails, it's hard to do, but bam, slide that joint right out. Yes sir, yes sir. And then this is it doesn't look like a regular USB. So this is USB-C. This is what people mean when they say USB-C, not USB. There is a difference, so don't get gat. How we going? Wait, how do I? Oh, that's pleasing. That is satisfying. Let me sit this on my bed. I don't need it anymore. I don't think I need it no more. Like I said, it's super lightweight. It's very thin, as you can see. I got the silver because I don't like pink, and the store. Ow! Okay, so the back pinches you when you open it. That hurt. Ooh, got a little paper. And she's powering up. Again, this was $999.99. I didn't pay no taxes on it, so it might be way more than that if you go buy it. I did buy a
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, girl. She talking to me. I like that. Okay, so I think now I'm gonna... Oh, I don't think I can screen record because I haven't opened it up or set it up yet. I wish I could screen record because I would show y'all what I'm doing on the screen. Got all logged in with the Wi-Fi or whatever. So now it's asking me about data and privacy. I really don't care. Migration assistant. If you have information on another Mac or Windows PC, you can transfer it to this Mac. You can also transfer information from a time machine backup or another startup disk. So, funny story. I had a Mac. I had to give that back to my school. So what I did was I put everything on OneDrive, hoping that I would be able to retrieve it. I really hope that's a thing. If not, I lost everything already. We're just gonna not now that thing. Then it asks you to sign in with your Apple ID. With your Apple ID. Hopefully it focused. If not, I really don't know what to tell you. I wish I could screen record all of this, but I don't know. Me and my roommate looked it up. You have to do like some weird stuff with the thingy to do the thingy, and you can't do that from the control screen because it's a setup screen. So you feel what I'm saying? Okay. You know, if you don't feel me, that's okay. I don't like to be touched anyway. Not me changing my Apple ID and not remembering. So your computer password is not gonna be the same as your Apple ID, quite obviously, but some people don't know that. So man, putting a password on your computer because hunty, the scammers is there, the hackers are there, honey, okay? They're gonna get your items from your computer virtually. Okay, buddy? You don't want your things to get took. To not set a password is to fuck around. To get your identity stolen is to find out, okay? Ain't nobody got time for that at all. Period. So now I just sign into my iCloud. I think after this, I'm gonna be able to actually access my screen. So I'm gonna just screen record from there. Okay, it's taking too long to set up this account. Like, it's not like the account ain't set up already. I didn't just make a new account. Why is it taking you so long? It said, find my, oh wait, find what? It didn't say that when I lifted it up. Find My allows you to locate this Mac on a map. It sends messages remotely to lock or erase it. Find My will use Apple ID blankety blank blank at blank.com, and it also protects your Mac with an activation lock, which prevents anyone else from using your Mac if it's ever lost or stolen. Set up Find My iPhone or Find My Mac or Find it, just they call it Find My, but I just think that's weird because it doesn't have an ending. Anyway, set it up. Yes, I want to ask Siri everything. What is a fault disk encryption? File Vault secures your data by encrypting the contents of your disk and locking your screen with a password. Would you like to use File Vault to encrypt the disk on your Mac? I guess. I don't know. Sounds secure. Another thing about this MacBook that the old MacBook doesn't do, I don't know if the new MacBook Pros do it, but I know that Air does it. Obviously, because I have it in my hand. It has Touch ID. It got Touch ID, so that's cool. That's lit. Because I don't like typing in my password. I don't even know how long it is. And you just touch it where the power button would usually be. I don't know if you could put multiple fingers, though. That'd be lit. No, because then your kids could get up on there, and you don't want no kids on there. Apple Pay. Honey, we don't need no Apple Pay on here. The devil. They got my Cash App. They got my Capital One card. They got my Chase. What else they want on here? I ain't putting no other credit cards on here, no. Alright, so you can do light mode or dark mode. That's with almost any device nowadays. So, you know me. My soul is dark. Because black is most like you can ever be. True Tone display. Your Mac automatically adapts to ambient lighting conditions to make the colors appear consistent in different environments. I do use True Tone. I also use it on my phone. And like night. I want to say night vision so bad, but that's not the word. Nighttime or whatever you want to call it. I use all of that because it's good on your eyes, blue light, all that stupid stuff. Get some blue light glasses and have a good day. 10 out of 10 would recommend. If you want to get through this fast, just deny everything and just keep going. Do it all later. It says my calendar would like to use my current location. Why? Travel time estimates. Oh, okay. Why, yes. So now I'm going to start screen recording. Oh. I stopped recording almost immediately once I started. Okay, Shift Command 5. We're gonna do this again. So I'm gonna set this joint up. Ooh, if y'all see me, hey, y'all see her or whatever. All right, we're done recording. All right, so that was the opening of my MacBook Air. I hope that somehow y'all can benefit from this. If y'all want to see me unbox a, if y'all want to see me unbox, if y'all want to see me unbox a iPhone 12, let me know down in the comments below, because I'll probably go buy one like next week or something like that. I'm more than likely going to anyway. I also think I want to go get a Nintendo Switch, because like I've been looking at it, it's really cute. So let me know if y'all want to see me unbox it, because I'm gonna buy it anyway. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Sorry I've been missing, you know. If y'all know me, if y'all follow me on all of my other social medias, follow me on everything, y'all. Everything. Follow me. All the links and all the everything is in the everything, okay? It's gonna be on the screen, it's gonna be in the descriptions, it's gonna be everywhere. And you'll know that I moved to Texas like a week ago. So that's why I've been MIA. Because your girl has a tip, okay? But I'm here now, I'm settled in. I have y'all more videos to come. So thank you for sticking in there with me, and again, welcome to my channel.
Gang to me. Big Drake go bang for me. Throw money in the air, this a change to me. Up, right, left, down, L2, sucker, R2, square, cheat code, this a game to me.